Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to practice plank pose correctly, how to engage all the muscles that need to be working to take you into this pose safely. It's used so much in vinyasa practices, and it's such a great way to strengthen your whole body. So if you're interested in learning plank pose, just keep watching. Let's get started. So let's bring our hands to the top of our mat. Spread your finger bones nice and wide here. And you're gonna float the shoulders so that they're stacking directly above your wrists. And then stepping one foot back at a time, we're going to lift up off the knees. So we're gonna just go through all the different things that are happening here because there are a lot, all right? So first we're gonna start with the foundation. Press into the hands, grip into the finger pads, and then press into the hands so much that the shoulders start to lift up off the back. So we're not sinking down here, we're really pressing the earth away. Imagine the biceps spiraling forward, and you're gonna feel a nice hug of your lats pulling in and around your rib cage when you do that. So press down, spiral forward. Good. Gaze is just gently forward. Now the shoulder girdle is very, very strong. Notice if the core is kind of taking a break or giving up here. Pull your belly button into your spine and lift the hips so that they're in line with the shoulders. Now, in yoga, us yogis are culprits of tucking the tailbone as much as we can. And I think there are places for that, but in just a regular plank pose, we want to give the tailbone a little space to breathe so it's not overly tucked. We want the core to pull in. The tail can be a little bit free, but imagine lengthening your tailbone back to meet the heels. So probably didn't look much different, but it feels different. You feel your hamstrings activate. Imagine your inner thighs spiraling in towards each other and up toward the sky. Take a full breath in, and as you exhale, hollow the belly. Inhale, exhale, hollow the belly. Press into the hands, lift out of the shoulders, drive heels back nice and long, crown of head reaches forward, heels reach back, one more breath in. Exhale, drop the knees. So there you have it, plank pose. I hope this helped you along your yoga journey. If you'd like more videos like this, I'll be posting one every week. You can subscribe to my channel to sign up for those. And if you would like to follow me on any other social media, my Instagram is @jrockyoga, some yoga, some life. And my website is jrockyoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.